BZH here from BigZachsHouse. Tonight we're going to be doing a review of the Lego Marvel Avengers, the Infinity Saga set number 76200. This is Bro Thor's new Asgard. This is a set from the Avengers Endgame movie that was just recently released in the last couple years. This is a really cool set, a small build. We're going to go through this review. I'm going to go over the set, any playability functions, the box, the manual, and of course the minifigures, which in my opinion are the most important piece. This set is priced at $29.99. This is available at the Lego store, Amazon, Target. A little stock issues right now, but it will eventually be available for you guys to purchase at any time. Just going over, we're going to go over the box first, like normal. Keep things consistent here real quick. Really nice box art. You have Thanos up here on the top, the Avengers logo. You have the three minifigures here, Meek, Korg, and Bro Thor. Some people refer to Bro Thor as Fat Thor, but I don't think they were going to put that in a Lego box. Welcome to New Asgard, please drive slowly. This is a really cool scene. I remember this watching the movie many times at this point in time, going over a piece of the box. Just another little way you can set up your minifigures for the actual scene here. And then quickly moving on to the manual. This manual came and it was garbage. Bent up real bad for me. Looks like some of the pieces were like taped together, or the manual was taped together. So this is one of those times where I was not happy with the manual, unfortunately. Got your piece list on the very last page. Some of the other sets that came out, I just recently picked this set up. This set's on my list here. We also picked this one up, and this is on the list. So right now I have 2 of those 4. Total is 78 different steps to complete this build in 71 pages. Not too bad. Again, anytime you want to scan the barcode here, you can use your phone or tablet or whatever to obtain your instructions, not use this garbage manual that came in really bad shape for me. Well, it does aggravate me, but at this point, it's done no one. Now, moving on to the actual build here. Tons of detail in this build. Now, it does come with quite a few stickers. At least 1, 2, 3, 4 different stickers, 5 different stickers from my calculations here. Some of these little pizza things are printed figures here, and there's another sticker goes on here. And as you can see, ton of detail in such a small set. It's one of my favorite Marvel Avengers sets here. I do have all of my minifigures actually displayed on the set. That's how I keep track of all my minifigures. I don't like to keep them separate or toss them in a bag or whatever. A bunch of different little bottles up here on the top, a little bookshelf, a little TV. That is really cool. I really like how they have a PlayStation controller here. Cool little meme I saw at one point in time was in 2025, Bro Thor and Korg are playing a PS4 because the PS5 is still out of stock in 2025. It wouldn't really shock me at all here. And different neat things here. 5 years after the blip, as we all know, that's 5 years after the last movie where people disappeared. At this point, if you haven't watched the movies, tough luck for you. A lot of details here in the set. Really do like it. Go around the outside. Some detail on the outside, not too much. You do have a little door right here. Not a ton of play functions on this set. It really is just, it is what it is. It's just a scene out of the movie here. The door opens up, just like when they're playing PlayStation and having a good old time. So really cool build. I'm really happy with this build. Tons of detail in such a small set, and it's all in one piece here. Now we will go over the minifigures, which is probably the most important part of this set. Going over the first of 3 minifigures, well, kind of first of like 2.5 minifigures in my opinion, is the Korg minifigure here. He's exclusive to the set. He's one of my favorite characters. For me, when I think of Korg, I think of Thor Ragnarok, but he is also makes an appearance in Endgame. He has a little helmet here. He also is holding as you just saw, a PlayStation controller and a pizza. He does have some nice printing. My favorite part, he has 2 different facial features, so really nice here on both sides. Little dual arm printing here. You got blue on the one side and then the tail on the other. Real nice feature here. I like it. He's got his little headphones here as he's probably playing, you know, obviously he's playing online. He's playing some type of PlayStation. We'll put his little helmet back on there. Well, he's built into him, but in this scenario, it's the little helmet. Now moving on to Bro Thor. All right, Bro Thor here. He's holding his hammer as well as a bottle of some type of booze there. Really nice printing on Bro Thor here. You can see his belly right there in the printing spilling over from his torso to his leg piece here. Really neat. He's got his long hair and his beard going all the way around. No arm printing on this figure. Does have some printing on the back, which looks really, really nice. Really nice figure. This is exclusive to this set. There's no other Bro Thor figures, so if you want to have this guy, you're gonna have to pick up this set. Moving over to the final minifigure. Well, I don't really consider this to be a minifigure in my opinion, but they do consider it one in the set. This is Meek. Again, this is exclusive to this set. Not much here to Meek. Definitely nice printing on the front here. See nothing on the back. Really, it's just a Lego minifigure head on top of another little tile piece there. Nothing much to Meek, but he is an important character in the movie, or at least, you know, to Korg here. He's a pretty important figure or character in the movie, but not much to him here. But I'm sure at some point this will probably go for, you know, probably 20 bucks or something like that. So if you're gonna want to pick this guy up, this is the set you're gonna want to do it in. So this covers all the minifigures, and I'll go to the summary of the review. To summarize this review of the Lego Marvel Avengers set number 76200, this is Bro Thor's new Asgard. This is a fantastic set. This is probably, in my opinion, my favorite Marvel set. I think that it's very, very accurate to the actual scene with all these small details. And I think that the minifigures deliver, Korg and Bro Thor specifically. This is priced at $29.99, and the set count is 265 pieces. I know it's under that 10-cent per mark piece, but this is a fantastic set. I think it's just the accuracy of the build, the minifigures, it really, really delivers at a pretty reasonable price point at $29.99. Give this set a 9 out of 10. I'm hesitant to give it a perfect 10 out of 10 with the limited amount of reviews that I've had so far, but this is a 100% must-buy set for any Marvel fan, Lego fan. Let me know what you guys think. I will have a link in the description box below for my Amazon affiliate link. If you are interested in purchasing this set, feel free to use my link. Again, I did buy a set on my own. I'm not sponsored or anything, so it's my honest review. So please let me know what you guys think. Please give this video a thumbs up, and please subscribe to the channel.